Hi everybody, and welcome to True Wants, where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you're new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button that you'll see right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also that bell beside that subscribe button that I always recommend that you press. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube should notify you just once that I have uploaded a brand new video. I do upload a lot, and sometimes my videos are time sensitive, so I don't want you to miss out. So make sure to press that subscribe button, ring that bell, and you'll be in the know. Also in that same area, there is that thumbs up, and that's where you guys come in. If you enjoy the content that I make, please take a second to hit that thumbs up. It will turn blue, the number will increase, and that's you helping True Ones get noticed and grow on this huge YouTube platform. So this is really exciting. Like I said, today, if you've been spending the day with me over today and probably the next couple of days, so many boxes arrived at the same time that I decided to sit down and open them all up so that I would know what was inside each box. And when I did, I could not believe what was inside all the boxes. And I'm not good at keeping secrets because I always say to you, if I know something, I want to make sure that you guys know it too. That's why I do spoiler videos. And as soon as I know information about the industry or brands or things like that, I always like to take the opportunity to share it with you because I like to do informative videos. I'm always interested in the brands and interested in the products. And then if we get a subscription box that gives us these phenomenal brands and these products at these heavily discounted prices, I cannot wait to share them with you as well. And then sometimes True Ones gets really lucky because, as you know, I'm a newer channel, but the people that have reached out that I thought their boxes would be a good fit for my channel is ones that I want to share with you, because this is a brand that I've shared with you on my channel numerous times, and it's GLossybox. And I think what they do best is not only have the most beautiful packaged products, and the presentation when you open them up is always over the moon. And that's why I always want you to follow me on True Ones on Instagram with the number 2, because what I do is I take pictures of everything, of how beautiful the packaging is and everything, because when I come to sit down here on YouTube, I literally place everything out on the table and take out all the excess packaging so that when I'm sitting down here, I'm sitting here and I'm talking to you directly as if it's live, so that I can go through everything and just share the information as quickly as possible, but as informative as possible. So I'm not, going through packaging and saying, oh, let me see what's in the box. I know what's in the box, and what I'm telling you will blow your mind. The only thing with GLossybox, when they send products or boxes to the channel, and I think I've already opened up May, so if you haven't seen that one's a really good one too, and I had a discount code that I was able to get for you guys on that as well. When they send over the boxes, I don't get information that a box is coming. So I'm just as surprised when the box arrives, because I don't have any information prior to, or what is going to be in the box, or what the box is all about. And because I'm filming so many boxes, and this was one of the last boxes that I opened up, I did not do any research on this, but I will do that before I post. So any information, if I have discounts or more information that I feel I didn't give enough during the video, I will have in the description box down below. But the reason I'm doing it this way is, number one, so many boxes arrived today. And the second thing is, on the outside of the box, it said in a tag here, Mother's Day V322. And the fact that Mother's Day was just a couple of days ago, I wanted to make sure that I can get this up as soon as possible, so that if this is still available, you guys will still have access to it. And I will definitely check to make sure if I have a discount code to be able to get you some dollars off on this as well, because what was inside of here blew my mind. It is beyond beautiful. And like I said, by the time you see this, it will be in the title of or in the description box of the cost of the box and everything like that. So this is the box that came. I wish this came sooner, that I would have been able to share it prior to Mother's Day. But giving a gift to your mother doesn't have to be one time a year, and giving a gift to yourself, at least I say for me, is never one time a year. So this box says you are the best. It is the cutest packaging. Like I said, always, GLossybox does these beautiful hard shell boxes that I keep, and they end up staying in areas, and I put things in them that I want to know where they are. They're great to, store lipsticks as well as sheet masks, as well as anything. And they're also great to give as gifts as well. So there's always beautiful, they don't miss a mark. Even on the inside is their logo inside here. but it doesn't have their name all over it. Their name is only on the outside here. So like I said, and it is that beautiful pink, perfect color with the flowers all over it. And this is all, you know, risen. They didn't miss a mark. And what I'm telling you, for the prices that we pay for this, the box alone always blows me away because it's wrapped in tissue paper with the crinklies, always with a beautiful bow, and it always matches the theme. So if the box was green, the bow and the paper inside would be green. Everything that they do really, really impresses me. So that's the box. Now let me show you what is inside of here. And there's only one item in here that I had to pull from my stash so that I can put one of these into a future giveaway because it's a product that I already own and I'm enjoying. So let me start at the beginning. The first item that was in here was from this brand called Grand Cosmetics, and it's called the Grand Pout. And they're saying it is a plumping lip mask. It came in this huge box, really beautifully put inside. And this is the information that is on the back of the packaging here. It says 97% said it repairs dry, flaky skin, as well as 97% said they saw fuller lips. This huge packaging had this beautiful jar inside embedded so that you would never have to worry that it would come damaged. And it has that gorgeous G, which is the logo for the brand. And inside it comes with a little spoon that is on here that helps you not put your fingers directly into the product, and that is the balm that's inside. So this says it has a beautiful scent to it. It's not overpowering at all, very, very light scent. And it says this has a trademark brand called Value Lip, Volume Lip, excuse me, and Duro Quench. That is what is written on the jar. And that is what the front of the jar looks like here. Very, very high end, very, very beautiful. The next item in here was a eyeshadow palette, and it came in this full retail box, and the brand is called Laritzi Cosmetics. And this is, I'm gonna open it up. It has a full long mirror, so I'm just gonna put the box right in front of it. And these are the gorgeous shades that are inside. This is perfect for every mother, no matter her age, because all of these shades are wearable. And you have, looks like 2 mattes and 3 of those shades that have a satin shimmer to them. So they're not glittery or overpowering, just beautiful. But like I said, these are the shades that all moms are gonna wear, and you don't have to worry that this palette is going to make her afraid to be able to play maybe with makeup. The next item in here was from La Rousse, which is such a high-end eyeshadow pencil brand. Their brushes are over the top. And these are the 2 brushes that are in here. We have one angled brush, and then we have one of the fluffier blending brushes. Their brushes I share with you on my channel all the time. When we get them in boxes, I feel so privileged because they are such a high-end brand, and the quality of their brushes, do not let them sit. It will really change how your makeup looks. So very excited about that, and always nice when it comes in an outer packaging, so it makes it even more luxe. The next item in here was a pair of sunglasses, and it came in this little pouch here that says Velvet on it, and that is actually the name of the brand. But this is like a microfiber cloth, which is always nice to store your glasses in, because you can also use this as the type that would help you clean your glasses. This is the name of the brand. It is called Velvet, and it's called Velvet Trends. This is the beautiful, beautiful aviator glasses. The name Velvet is also on the top here, as well as on the back of the arms here. This is really like standard. Everybody should own a pair of large aviators, and these are just beautiful. So like it that we get a pair of sunglasses this time of year. It is always when you're getting ready, spring and summer, to enjoy a new pair of shades. Now you have one in this box. The next item in here was, you won't believe how many items are in this box. It's from Give Them Lala Beauty. This is a product that I have not tried from her brand. This is her mascara, and it is in black. This is what it looks like here. And if you've seen any of her packaging, she does a lot with this marble type of packaging. And her lipsticks that I got in the other boxes through add-ons and things like that. but I have not seen her mascara yet. So always curious to try new mascaras. It has some, it's more of the plastic type of wand that has these short bristles. This is the type of wand that will help you get deep down to the core of your lashes and be able to build them up. Like I said, I am always excited to have the opportunity to try a new mascara. The next item in here was this cute bottle. And this one is, it says it is a, it says Champagne Volumizing Mist. And this is what, this is from this brand called Curve Beauty. This I know nothing about. I've never heard of this brand. I'm really not sure what this is. It just says Champagne Infused Volumizing Mist. It's infused with champagne. So I'm assuming if it's volume, it's going to be something for the hair. So if you've had the opportunity to try this brand, please share that with me. It says thickens strands with all day hold. So I'm assuming it also has truffle and platinum extracts plus skincare, it says, and it's free of sulfates. And it says to use, spray all over, air dry your blow dried hair. So it is a hair product. This is one, so we'll take a little spritz of it and see what the scent is and see if we have a beautiful scent. Yeah, very, very beautiful scent. This is one that definitely shake before so that the spritz will go on more like a fine mist, but really, really nice scent. So excited to have the opportunity to try that. All right, the next item that is in here is from Bioderma. If you've never tried micellar water, this is a brand that you definitely want to try. This is a brand that I've used and enjoyed, and it is a brand that I'm still using, and I have a huge bottle of it on my counter, but not in this color. The one that I have is a clearer container with a pink cap, so I'm gonna have to read up to see if there's something different between this one that has more of a blue tinge. This one says it is combination oily skin, which is probably more set for me, so I'm excited to have the opportunity to try that. Micellar water is a really, really great way to also remove any eye makeup. I always remove my eye makeup with a micellar water on a pad, and then my first layer of makeup I also remove with this, and then I go into my cleanse. And then this is a nice way to start removing your makeup, and then if you want to do what they call the double cleanse, you can do that. Also, first thing in the morning, if you don't have time for a real ritual, you can always start it off with just micellar water, and that will help also be a good way to cleanse your face without going through all the steps as well. So really happy that this is a product that so many people will get an opportunity to try. The next item in here was in this pouch. And in this pouch, there were these 4 little containers. And these containers, I think, are perfumes. And this is a cloth pouch. And it says it is from this brand called, yeah, it's Glass House Fragrances. And this is such a fantastic gift on its own. And then it has 4 little containers in here. This is the first one. The next one is in blue. Then we have one in purple and then one in orange. So let's see if anything is marked on here that we know what any of these are. So the first one is in, it says Lotus, and it's an eau de perfume, and it's called Kyoto in Bloom. The next one in here is Midnight in Milan, and they're saying it is saffron and rose. The next one in here is the one that says Forever Florence, and that is a wild peonies and lily. And these are all eau de perfumes, and I'll open up one of them so that we'll be able to see what the container inside looks like. And this is called the Taha Affair, and this is in Devotion. So we're gonna open up this one then. So let's see if there is something written even on the back of the box so that we can see. So these are the cylinders that are inside. Let's see if it has a little spray bottle. It does. Those are fantastic. When these, they're so much better than the ones that you just tilt over and it comes out. I always like traveling with these little spritz bottles. And then this one says it is a floral fragrance, and they're saying it is delectable and captivating. And it says, let me see here if I can read a little bit about it. It says it has sea salt, jasmine, caramel, butterscotch, and cedarwood. Those all sound really good. All right, let me spritz and we will see what this smells like. I'm just gonna spritz it on the container. Yeah, you can smell all of those, but it's very, very, these are perfumes. So you are definitely gonna get different level of notes every time. So as the day progresses, you'll start smelling more. Right now I'm smelling the top notes. you know, an hour from now, you'll smell the middle notes, and then the bottom notes are going to be the ones that you're going to smell all the way, all day long. But perfumes, eau de perfumes, always last so much longer, and that's what this says they are. So really excited to have an opportunity to see what this is all about. Like I said, I'm going to read up on it, see if they're able to layer them and everything like that. So these 4 beautiful came in this pouch that says glass hole. And then the last item that we got in here is from Nude Sticks. And this is one that came in the packaging here. And as you can see here, it is completely sealed. They also have a little pin on the top of the cap here that helps you penetrate into the container so that you'll be able to get access. This is the one from my area, and this is that I have ready to use as well. So excited to have the opportunity to get this. I've already used this product in the past, and what it is, it goes on, is called the Glow Micro Peel. It is a lemonade detox. It is not strong at all. When you place it on your skin that's just been cleansed, you will be rubbing it, and little particles are going to come up. Don't think that's all your skin. It is not. A lot of it is the property of the ingredients inside, but it also is going to be removing any dead skin cells. And then once you rinse off your face, you will see that it is smoother, and everything will penetrate all of the high-end ingredients that you're choosing to buy in your skincare will penetrate and really work into your skin a lot better. Also, if you do it before you're going to do a makeup day, then your makeup will lie a lot better on this as well. And what it says on the back here, it says it's a 3-in-1 deep pore cleanser, skin exfoliant. It's also a skin brightener glow, and it will also clarify peel that cleanses pores of any excess oil, dirt, and pollution. It is powered with vegan enzymes with peeling of papayan and deep pore cleansing action of apple and pomegranate extracts. It has vitamin C that renews and brightens your skin for a radiant glow. Apply as a mask all over your face, your fingertips, to massage in only 2 minutes. And then you rinse off, and you can use this 3 to 4 times a week. This must be the newer one that I put out for me to use, because I definitely used the other one that I had all the way down to the bottom. So this is one that I'm really enjoying as well. So that's everything that we got in what they're calling their Mother's Day box. Like I said, I will do my best to leave a link down below if this is still available. I'm pretty sure that it is if I'm getting it. It just might be a shipping delay coming to me here, but this is coming out of the US. So I want to make sure that where I look it up is under GLossybox US. And like I said, if I have any links or any discounts, I will make sure to leave those in the description box down below as well. Is this not an amazing box? Please share with me in the comments down below if you knew anything about this box, because I know with GLossybox, they do so many fantastic limited editions that if you're a member of their boxes, which are not expensive, I usually have a link that will get you your first box for $16. And even if you were to pay full price, their boxes usually run only $20, and they're free shipped to your door. It's always a mixture of deluxe sizes as well as full sizes, but it's always brands that you always either wanted to try or brands that you enjoy, like Elemis and brands like that. So if you miss seeing the May box, make sure to check it out. I will try to leave the link for it down below. And like I said, whatever information I can find out for you in reference to this, I will. But what I also want you to know is on GLossybox, if you're a member, you get these type of limited edition boxes at a discount. They're still really phenomenal prices. If you're not a GLossybox member and you still want this box, you will be able to get it for a few dollars more. So there's a little bit of savings when you're a GLossybox member, so you get to enjoy the monthly boxes and then have access to even probably early access to these limited edition boxes at a discounted price. But if you're not a member of GLossybox and you're just interested in the limited edition boxes, then you can purchase them as well on their own. They'll just be a few dollars more. All right. That's it for today, guys. Make sure to check all the videos that I am posting, because I'm not saving them all to do one today, one tomorrow, because I literally got at least a half a dozen boxes today, and then I just stopped counting. So make sure to watch. You'll be seeing this outfit in a lot of them, and like I said, enjoy, because when I opened them up, I just said I have to share all of this with you guys right away, so that if these boxes are still available, I want you to have access to them as well. And that's it for today, guys. So take care, everybody. Continue to stay safe and well, and I'll see you all soon in my next video. Bye for now.